Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Girly Glimpse. Today I am back with another video, and this video will be regarding all the formulas that I have written. During my initial stage of preparation, I used to write all the formulas in one place so that it will be easier to refer to them if I am having any problem while solving the questions. Some people say that learning the formulas is a waste of time, but that is incorrect regarding for those who are beginners who have no idea how to solve one question. Until and unless you know the formulas to all the topics, you will not understand the shortcut method to solve a question. So it is better first you have to know the formulas and how it is solved, how the formulas are derived, then how you can solve one question using the formulas. Then you should apply the shortcut method. That will be very helpful. First is the learning process, then is the solving process. First of all, you have to learn how to solve a question, and for that you have to know all the formulas, because during the examination shortcut method will be very helpful instead of formulas, but in some places you have to use the formulas. You have no other options. So I have brought this videos. In this video I am only going to show you the formulas that I have written. If you want to know the sources from where I have written the formula, then please tell me. I'll also tell them in the next video. Just because the video might get a bit longer, and that's why I will only show you the formulas. In the next videos I will explain you the formulas if you want, and then we can go to the shortcut method. So I'm not teaching you anything, or I'm not doing any classes. I'm just telling you how I prepared in a subject in which I was the weakest. So this is, I have written the conversions. If it is useful, you can get it from anywhere, from Google also. And how to take out root, how to take out root of non-root number. These are necessary. You have to know this. How to take out cube root, square root. Everything is very important. Then I started from arithmetic progression. Maximum of these formulas I have written from Arihant arithmetic book. If you want, then I can link the book in the comment section. Then we start from percentage, mixed, improper, proper fractions. You have to know what are those and how you derive them. Then tricks that can be used during your examination to convert a percentage into fraction. This is very helpful. And in the next video I will tell you a YouTuber who has converted the percentage into fraction in a very easy way, in a very easy shortcut way. It is very easy to remember, and that is one of the best video and one of the best percentage video. Then next, average. We come to average. Average is basically an easy topic. You don't have much formulas in it. It depends on the question. If the question is framed in as such during the mains examination, if the question is lengthy, then it could be a problem. Otherwise, average is doable for everyone. And this is for reasoning. This is also important. How do you remember the numbers of all the letters so that you don't have to count it. And if this is helpful, then please refer to it. This is also, I have written this from a YouTuber. And then ratio and proportions. What are the different types of ratios? An equality of two ratios is called the proportion. If A by B is equal to C by D, or A by AB, A is to B equal to C is to D, then we can say that A, B, C and D are in proportion, and can be written as A, B and C. The symbol represents proportion. It is read as A to B as C is to D. So So if you don't know anything about maths, then you should start from this much, this basic. This is for the beginners who don't know anything. And if you know, then this is not required. This are from Arihant book. And then simple interest. Simple interest, we know the formula for simple interest. P into R into T by 100. P represents principal, R represents rate, T represents time. This is the formula for amount. And this is for if principal is not given, how to take out principal, then how to take out simple interest. Then how do you take out the time if time is given in this form, 1 year and 4 months. Then these were the formulas written in the book. But for simple interest and for compound interest, Kaushik Mohanty is the best, career definer is the best YouTuber, because I'm not promoting anything, I'm telling it from my experience. The way he explains simple interest and compound interest, it is very easy to solve it. You don't have to go through this sort of formulas which are written in the book. These are all the formulas. You just have to know how these are solved. Then you can go for shortcut method. Then compound interest, we know the formula. Compound interest P by 1 plus R by 100 into N minus P. And then if the interest is compounded half yearly, then the interest is compounded quarterly. Interest is compounded annually, but time is in fraction. If such kind of questions are given, then career definer video will help you a lot. Then you have different methods to solve compound interest, the tree formula, the ratio, then AB formula. These are the shortcut methods through which you can solve. I rarely use this method. I use the ratio method by career definer. Then profit and loss. In profit and loss, formulas are very important. So you should remember them. These are formulas: profit or gain, selling price minus cost price. Then if it is loss, then cost price minus selling price. Then gain percent, loss percent. How to take out selling price, cost price. For profit and loss also, I will advise career definer. Then speed and time. Speed equals distance by time, time equals distance by speed, speed equals speed into time. And how you have to convert them, if it is in meter or kilometer. The conversion is also very important. And quadratic equation. There is a trick method to solve quadratic equation. I will tell you it in the next video. Then work and time. Work and time is a very good chapter. These are the notes that I have written from the book. It is not necessary for me anymore because I solve the questions directly from the YouTube videos. These are the questions that I have written that I couldn't solve. I have written for reference, for future reference. If you want, then you can pause the video and take a look at it. Then these are the squares and cubes that I have written. This is very important, very important. You have to by heart it. You have to remember it anyhow because it will save you a lot of time during the examination. No matter what exam it is, if there is arithmetic, then it will help you a lot. You will save a lot of time. Instead of multiplying there, you can write it directly. Then square root. How to take out square root, take out cube root. Very important. These are two methods. You can take out square root and cube root. How to divide decimals. Like if I even have a very small doubt, a very beginner kind of doubt, then I write it down in the notebook, in my diary. Then Venn diagram solution, this is for reasoning. Then cube of a number, how to take out cube of a number. This is also very important. You have to learn this stuff, these methods. Then how to do fast calculation. This is very helpful. There are many YouTubers would teach you how to calculate fast so that you save a lot of time during your examination. If you want, I will refer you to some YouTubers in the next video. Then multiplication, addition, subtraction, division, everything there is a shortcut method, but you have to use it wisely. I don't use it always, but I use it sometimes. It is very helpful. Then time and work. These are the questions that I have written for time and work. There is a teacher from Adda whose video I have watched and I have understood very well. I don't remember his name right now, but I will tell you his name in the next video. You can watch his video and you can understand time and work very easily. Then we have both. There are the formulas in both topic which you must remember. Then train. While solving train question, I will advise Kaushik Mohanty videos. So this is Vedic math. I have crossed this page because I'm not using Vedic maths to solve the questions because I couldn't understand it very well, so I'm not. If you don't understand something, don't waste time on it. This is digital sum method. This is also a shortcut to solve numbers, but I couldn't understand it because it worked in some questions and did not work in some questions, and I thought it is a waste of time, so I will not use it. I have crossed these pages. This is probability. Then for probability also I will suggest Kaushik Mohanty video. If you watch the video, you will understand probability. You will never have any problem in solving any question. You have to remember how many cards, how many diamonds, how many clubs, spades, hearts, then king, queen, and joker. You have to ace. Then you have to remember everything. Factorial is the best. Factorial is the best method to solve probability. Then statistics. I don't know if there is any shortcuts tricks because I use formulas in every question, and you can watch any video. Every video is helpful on YouTube. Then clock. Clock reasoning. This is for reasoning. There is a shortcut method. There is a formula for clock. This is the formula. This is the formula for clock, solving clock questions. This is from a YouTuber. This is I have written from a YouTuber. I will mention his YouTube channel. Then mensuration. The formulas are very, very important. I don't know if there is any shortcut video or something, shortcut way to solve mensuration, but formulas are everything. These are the questions. These are the formulas I have written from Arihant book. You will also get the formulas from YouTube or Google, but if you watch it from YouTube, they will explain it better. They will explain how the formulas are derived. Boats, stream, pipes and system. Until unless we know these topics, unless we know and study these topics, we will find it difficult. But these topics are not difficult. You just need the right person to teach you. Then calendar reasoning. Dear sir, there is a YouTuber, Dear Sir. You watch his videos for calendar, for reasoning, because I find it very useful, and it is solvable. The calendar questions are solvable. And there is 3D figure, there is a volume, then curved surface area, lateral surface area, total surface area. These are the formulas. It is very useful. So this is it. Then I have written no formulas ahead. So these are the formulas that I have written, and I use them, but not always. As a beginner, these formulas are necessary, and as you solve questions after questions, you will learn tricks and you will apply them. Then you will not need these formulas, but it is always better to keep a reference because you don't want to go through all the pages of a book, our Arihant book, and or you don't have to go open your laptop and go through the YouTube videos or the notes. You can write it in a diary or something and refer to them always, and you can also write those questions you're not able to solve, know how to solve them and use it in another question. So it is very helpful. I don't know about you. So as a beginner you must start from 1. You have to take the first step if you're having problem in arithmetic, because in every examination we have reasoning, reasoning English, arithmetic, then computer. Some exam doesn't have English or computer, but arithmetic and reasoning are compulsory. For you, arithmetic is very important. You cannot skip arithmetic. You have to. The competition is getting higher. You cannot skip any chapter. Also, you have to know everything. Even if there are 10 chapters and you have read 10 chapters, and you're not able to solve one chapter in the examination, you can solve another chapter, another question. But if you skip many chapters, you will not score any mark. And this is all about competition. And I hope this video was helpful for you, and I will make such videos in upcoming tomorrow. So if you have any questions, please let me know. If you might have already seen my earlier video. I am preparing for other examination as well. So right now I am preparing for RRB NTPC, because CGL is not out yet. It will be out in April, but I will not be looking forward and sitting idly not preparing for anything. So I am right now preparing. I will tell you my preparation for NTPC right now, what is going on, how I have planned to go with it. So that's it. Thank you for watching my video. All the best.